Good morning students. In previous class we had learnt about the lesson fiber to fabric. Today we are going to finish the lesson. So in that we had learnt last class we had learnt do you know topics no? Today we are going to finish the lesson. Now here topic is yarn to fabric. How can we make yarn to fabric? The yarn that is prepared from fiber is used to make fabric. The yarn that is used to prepare fiber is called what? Is used to make fabric. So the fiber is made up of yarn and it is also used to make fabric. Now strands of yarn are arranged in vertical and horizontal rows in a loom to weave fabric. So the yarn is arranged as vertical and horizontal rows. Vertically and horizontally the yarns are arranged and weaved as a fabric. Spinning of yarn on large scale is now done by using machines. Nowadays spinning of yarn on large scale by using machines. Two sets of yarn arranged to make fabric is called weaving. Two sets of yarn together to make a fabric is called what? Weaving. Two sets of yarn together made together and to make a fabric is called as what? Weaving. Weaving is done on looms. The looms that are worked by manpower are called hand looms. The looms that are worked by manpower are called hand looms. The looms which are run by machines are called what? They are called power looms. They are called as power looms. The looms which are made with machines. The looms which used to make fabric with machines are called what? Power looms. They are called power looms. Next, mat making. Next one is mat making. Take coconut leaves. Coconut leaves are two different color paper strips. Take coconut leaves or take two different paper strips. Cut and remove middle vein of the leaf together to get two halves. To remove coconut leaves you have to take and you have to remove the middle vein and to make that two halves you have to remove. And now put these strips parallel. To each other. You have to keep the strips parallel to each other. Take one more strip and insert horizontally. And take one more strip and insert horizontally. And alternately between the vertical strips. You have to keep alternately between the vertical strips. Finally, you will get a sheet-like structure. This is way a mat is prepared. How the mat is prepared? In this way the mat is prepared. In the same manner, weave a paper sheet by using paper strips. You can take two color paper strips and with that you can make vertically one color strips and horizontally one more color strips you can take and you can prepare a mat. The handloom industry is well developed in our state. Places like Gadwal, Venkatgiri, Sisilla, Narayanpet, Pochampalli and Kottakota are famous for handloom industries. Which areas are famous for handloom industries? Gadwal, Venkatgiri, Sisilla, Narayanpet, Pochampalli and Kottakota are famous for handloom industry. Warangal is famous for carpet industry. So this is our topic. Today we have learnt about the how to prepare a mat. That is the topic remaining in this lesson. You have to finish the fair notes. First you have to know one thing, and here you have to know one thing. In this lesson, what are the important topics? What is ginning? What is spinning? What is weaving? What are hand looms? What are power looms? So what is ginning? The process of removing of seeds from cotton wool is called as spinning. The process of removing of seeds from cotton wool is called as spinning. And what is ginning? Making yarn from fiber is called as ginning. Making yarn from fiber is called as ginning. And next, what is weaving? What is weaving? Spinning of yarn on a large scale is now done by using machines now. So by using machines or by using hand, we can you take that one now. So here what is weaving? Two sets of yarn arranging together to make a fabric is called as weaving. Two sets of fabric is used to make a yarn. Together it is kept and it is used as a yarn. So two sets of yarn together, two sets of yarn arranged together to make a fabric is called as weaving. Two sets of yarn arranged together to make a fabric is called what? Weaving. Next, what are hand looms? The looms which are run by manpower are called as hand looms. The looms which are run by machines are called as power looms. These are important topics. These are the important small questions. And next, you have to complete the fair notes. Improve your learning is given, so that you have to complete. And the next, prepare for the next lesson. Once all of you read the lesson and complete the fair notes, here it is, one story is given, the story of jute. In Andhra Pradesh state, in the district of Visakhapatnam, Srikakulam and Vijayanagaram, jute is widely grown. There is an interesting story about jute. Long ago, a man was grazing his cattle in the forest near his village. Suddenly, it started raining. It did not stop for days. He saved himself by climbing to a tree. Almost all the forest got submerged in floods. After a couple of weeks, he got down from the tree and walked through soaked plants in the mud. He observed that peels of plants stuck to his legs. He went home and removed these peels from his body. One day his wife saw the dried peels and noticed that they were so strong and spun a thread. Haven't you understood what the plant is? The plant is jute plant. So what happened? The man was stuck on the tree when it was suddenly raining, and when he came down and the strips of jute stuck to his legs. When he went home, he removed that strips, and after drying that, his wife saw that strips, and she noticed that they were strong, and she made a spun with that one, and she made a rope. Then what is that plant? Why are you thinking? What are you thinking here? What is that plant? That is nothing but jute plant. So you have to finish the fair notes, that you think and complete the fair notes.